everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Rabella Design. Today I am going to show you how we are going to make these beautiful crochet lips. You can sew up these on your crochet creations, on your crochet blankets. Also you can use it as the ornament on the gift bags. You can also use these during Valentine's time. You can sew up these on the crochet bags, crochet motifs, anything you can imagine, you can use these. The pattern is also very easy, dear friends. I will explain to you step by step. Okay, let's go on how to make this. Meanwhile, please remember to subscribe my YouTube channel, activate the info bell, and please leave like remarks and make comments and share my videos for my future video tutorials. Thank you so much. Let's go on how to make this. For this project we need cotton yarn. This kind of cotton yarn I'm going to use, but we didn't need much yarn. For this reason, this is a very nice idea for the scrap yarn. If you have mini scrap yarns as red and pink tones, you can use this. I will use this cotton yarn. I am going to use 3mm hook. I am going to use the scissors. I need a darning needle to hide the yarn ends in the back side. That's all what we need for this project. Okay. Let's go on how to start. First of all, I am taking my yarn in my hand and I am making a slip knot. I am doing slip knot like this. Okay. Upon this slip knot, I am making 16 chains. Don't make the chains very tight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. We made totally 16 chains. Now, this is chain 1. This is chain 2. I am inserting my hook through the chain 2, yarn over, pull through, and I am making a single stitch. Yarn over. I am going to the following chain here, yarn over, pull through, and I am making a half double crochet. Yarn over. Now I am going to the following chain here and making 1 double crochet. 2 times yarn over. Now I am going to the following chain here in this stitch and I am making a triple crochet. 2 times yarn over, and I'm inserting my hook in the same stitch, making another triple crochet. And yarn over. I am going to the following stitch here, inserting my hook, making a double crochet. After making 1 double crochet, I am making yarn over, going to the following chain stitch. This time I am making a half double crochet like this. Now I am going to the following stitch, inserting my hook in there. This time I am making a single stitch. It's been like this. Now I am making yarn over, going to the following chain stitch, and in this stitch I am making a half double crochet. Yarn over, going to the following chain stitch, inserting my hook in there, making a double crochet. 2 times yarn over, going to the following chain stitch, and in this stitch making a triple crochet. 2 times yarn over, inserting our hook in the same chain stitch and making another triple crochet. Yarn over, I am going to the following chain stitch here, making 1 double crochet. Okay, yarn over, going to the following chain stitch, making 1 half double crochet. I am going to the following chain stitch, and in this chain stitch I am making a single stitch, and in this last chain stitch making a slip stitch. The upper part of the lip is finished like this. Now I am turning to the other side, and on the other side, in the place that I make single stitch, I am inserting my hook in the same stitch but at the opposite side. I am making a single stitch. I made this single stitch in the place that I made single stitch on the same stitch. Here I made a single stitch. When I return to the other side, I am making the single stitch in the same chain stitch, but this time we will use the stitches on the opposite side. Yarn over, I am going to the following stitch, inserting my hook in there and making a half double crochet like this. On the other side we made half double crochet, and on the upper we are doing in the same stitch that we made half double crochet in the previous time. Yarn over, I am going to the following stitch, making a half double crochet. This time one by one we made 2 half double crochet. Now I'm making yarn over, going to the following stitch, making 1 double crochet, yarn over, going to the following stitch, making another double crochet, 2 times yarn over, going to the following stitch, making 1 triple crochet, two times yarn over, going to the following stitch here. This time I am going to make 3 triple crochet. The pattern on the upper side and the pattern on the down side of the lip is different. I made 1 triple crochet. On the following stitch I made another one. In this stitch, in the same stitch, I am going to make 2 more triple crochet. This is triple crochet 2, and inserting my hook through the same stitch and making another triple crochet. Okay, let me show you. It's been like this. Actually it is like this. This is the upper side of the lip. This is the half part of the down side of the lip. Of course we will go on, we will complete this. Now I'm making 2 times yarn over, going to the following stitch, following chain stitch here, making a triple crochet, yarn over, I am going to the following stitch, inserting my hook in there, making a double crochet, yarn over, I am going to the following stitch, making another double crochet, yarn over, I am going to the following stitch here, making 1 half double crochet, yarn over, going to the following stitch, making another half double crochet, going to the following stitch, making a single stitch in there, And in the last stitch, here inserting my hook, here at top, inserting my hook, yarn over, pull through, making a slip stitch, making one chain, and the pattern is finished. Now I am cutting the yarn. We are shaping. Yes, our lip finished like this. It is really beautiful. We are going to hide these yarn ends. I am going to use a darning needle for this. Since I cut the yarn ends small, first of all, I am inserting my hook on the back side stitches of the lip. And pulling. Cutting the last yarn end. Okay. Also cleaning the same thing in the same way. I am in the back side. First of all, I am inserting my hook through the stitches of the back side. Yes, like this, dear friends. Yes, dear friends, we came to the end of another project video. Hope you love this project. Hope you enjoyed this crochet lip tutorial. I will go on sharing this kind of video tutorials, dear friends. Please remember to subscribe my YouTube channel, activate the info bell, and please leave like remarks and make comments and share my videos for my future video tutorials. Thank you so much. See you in the coming videos.